Hey guys, today, let's learn how to delete the watch history on Facebook. If you guys want to go ahead and delete all of the videos and reel that you have watched on Facebook, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application. And what I want you guys to do is go ahead and tap on your menus on the lower right corner. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll to the settings and privacy tab. So once you're already on your settings and privacy tab, let's tap on privacy shortcuts. And I want you to scroll down to your Facebook information. So let's scroll to the option to see your Facebook information on this tab. And let's tap on access your information. Now once we're already here, what I want you guys to go ahead and search and tap on is the option to view your recent Facebook activity. So tap on this option right here, which is basically the first tab. And what I want you guys to tap on once more is to view your recently watched videos. So this is gonna be located over here on VC More tab. And let's tap on videos you've watched. That's gonna show you all of the videos that you have watched on the Facebook publication. And to delete all of this, just go ahead and basically tap on Clear Video, Watch History to remove it all together, and tap on Confirm and clear it again. And that's how you guys could clear your video history. It may take long, as you see on this warning. So go and just wait for this to be cleared altogether. And that's all for this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.